My name is T to the I to the N to the of Njetours Limited. We're discussing about China. China. Ikechukwu, a trader in Nigeria, wants to explore China. The vibrant city of Lagos. Ikechukwu decided, where will I go from here? What will I do? I have money to exhibit. I have money to give for business. I want to do business and get money. What would I do? Are you a business owner? You have your shop in Trade Fair, Alaba International, Alaboro, Balogun Idumota Market, Mami Market, Abuja Port Harcourt, Computer Village, name it. Arena. If you've not been to China, you've never thinking of exploring China as an entrepreneur. As person say they run business. I don't know what you do as a business person. From the vibrant city of Lagos, Ikechukwu decided that he wants to explore China. Yes. China is a place where innovation meets culture, a place of commerce, import export at a reduced price. What are you talking about? What do you dey yarn now? What do you dey talk about? You won't go China and don't know how to go about them. Someone said, Ikechukwu, go and meet Njetours Limited. And we said, I haven't listened to what you have, Ikechukwu. The best option is to go during the Canton Fair. Yes, the Canton Fair. Ikechukwu is how they say they run now. We say, no worry, I don't want a small thing now. Njetours has already been assisting business and entrepreneurs, not today. From 2017, we've been advising people the right part of China, to go to China. So I'm kind of trying to say, I don't want to go to China during the Canton Fair. I'm trying to say, I want to explore China outside of the Canton Fair. Whatever will go you covered. But for the purpose of Ikechukwu, we're advising him to go during the period of the Canton Fair. Why? You want to know why? Because you have different manufacturers coming to exhibit. It is that period where you develop business relationship, you network with the right set of people, with the CEOs, with the directors, the top management people that matter in an organization. You get to meet them during that Canton Fair. You think you say you won't go to import phone. Make if you say you go, you can't think of another idea. Is it souvenirs? Are you in the business? Are you in pharmacy, health, cosmetic, beauty, school, whatever, like name it. And this year Canton Fair, that's the 2025 Canton Fair is happening in October. That's the second part. We did the first one. The second one happening in October. Registration has already started. Like, we created a group and say if you want to visit China, people started registering, really made payments because we're going to start the visa process. It's a group application. What does Njetours do? Njetours offer that guidance that you need, telling you the requirements. For now, they've even changed the requirements. You want to go and travel to China using the VFS. We need your international passport. So if you don't have international passport, you have now to process your international passports. You need to have a clear-cut passport photo scanned. You need to have a statement of account, like an end balance, nothing below, say from 500,000 naira and above as your end balance in your account. Yes. That is how our expertise comes into place. But of course, you'll be saying, won't go China, you get 500,000 naira end balance. But you never talk with you, won't go do for China. But that's not a situation to worry about because we handled it perfectly well. You know why we advise Ikechukwu to go during Canton Fair? Because you get to meet different suppliers that will come and exhibit their products. One name, Ikechukwu container. His container, he wants to go and bring it to Lagos, Nigeria. So that's why Ikechukwu is going to China. Traveling to China does not require you to have a sleepless night. as long as you meet the right travel advisor to attend to you. Which, of course, that is when Njetours comes into place. Your international passport is a must travel document. Luckily, Ikechukwu already has that. Passport photograph, of course, is a standard. Your statement of account, you need to have nothing below 500,000 naira in your statement of account as the end balance. Leave the rest to us. You'll be going for your biometric capturing either in Abuja or in Lagos. Ikechukwu is in Lagos, so Lagos it is for him. Like I said, we've actually been in the business of helping entrepreneurs travel to China, offering them that seamless travel that they require. So yes, Ikechukwu is already on his way, having to go and experience China. Is China only meant for business? Who talk? No. After 1 or 2 days of him visiting China, he would decide to know if I also want to explore this town. But do you know what we told Ikechukwu? Say, Ikechukwu, if you want to come China again, or you don't want to come China again, no. As you go for business, also may you also go for tourism. See the town in Guangzhou, Benjin. I've been at which one? And I get different things. I've been at that see where you want experience. I'm not saying this like you can make it go there, eat it, you don't know. No, not which I tell you. Not for business. You want to experience China? You want to explore China? Doing this year Canton Fair, then what are you waiting for? Sign up, give us a call at Njetours. Send us a WhatsApp message. Chat us via our website. Send us an email, and we'll definitely attend to you. But hey, an entrepreneur whenever go China, I don't know what the entrepreneur, I don't know what you do. You need to have that clarity for your business. But if you don't have started, and we are at Njetours, we are definitely ready to take your requests. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.